dear teachers. Welcome to this platform. Welcome to Teacher Activity Day 2. Teacher activity is in front of you. Which 5 basic skills we take care while teaching phonics? Second is, what is the meaning of synthetic phonics? Comment box is open for you. You have to attempt this teacher activity in the comment box. Now, let's move forward towards that previous content which we were talking about. We were talking about blending. I had given you few examples also. How you will distinguish between blend and digraph. How you will help children to make sound of blends and digraph. In blend, two sounds S and T can each be heard. In a digraph, this is not so. Compare mishap and midship. SH sound is easily audible. But here in mishap, letter S, letter H, they both have individual sound. When sounding out a blend, encourage children to say the two sound as one unit. As I told you, they do not understand the word unit. So that is what we say, let's have friends together. Similarly, if I say fl, a, g, not f, l, a, g. So in that case, fl, fl is actually a blend. Speaking all together because they are friends together. This will lead to greater fluency when they start reading. Some words in English, they have an irregular spelling and cannot be read by blending, such as said, was, and one. Many of these are common words. The irregular parts have to be remembered. These are called the tricky words. So, tomorrow we will be continuing from here only. I again repeat what we have done so far. These are the 5 basic skills: learning the letter sound, learning letter formation, and blending. So all these 3 we have done. I have told you about the levels also. I have given you the link to hear the rhymes as well. And we had talked about the groups as well. Group 1, this one. Group 2, this one. Group 3 having these sounds. Group 4 is showing you 2 letter sounds altogether. Again, group 5 is having Group 6 is having digraphs. Group 7 is again having all together 2 letter sounds. So these all levels are according to the age milestone. Implement in your classroom accordingly. Do complete learning of the manual. Then only we can give fruitful learning in the classroom. So this is all about day 2. Goodbye and take care.